Crayola Musical Color Bug. Color, jam, and learn with wacky tunes. Ready to turn coloring into a symphony of fun? Meet the Crayola Musical Color Bug, the ultimate toddler sensory toy that merges creativity and music. Unlike ordinary coloring sets, this interactive ladybug plays wacky sounds or cheerful tunes as your little artist scribbles across giant sheets. With its 8 Ultra Clean Washable Markers and massive 15-sheet roll, you get vibrant coloring and mess-free cleanups every time. It's art amplified. Why is the musical color bug the buzz of the toy aisle? Its magic lies in its ability to engage multiple senses, helping kids master motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and focus, all while having a blast. Choose color bug mode for quirky sounds or music mode for playful songs. No other art toy connects movements to music, making every creative session a masterpiece of sound and color. Tired of messy art projects? With Crayola's washable markers, cleanup is a breeze. The Ultra Clean formula ensures ink comes off skin, walls, and clothes effortlessly. Plus, the perforated roll of giant coloring sheets means no wasted paper. Just tear, color, and go. Parents, rejoice. This toy saves time, minimizes mess, and maximizes creativity. Your walls and sanity will thank you. Looking for a gift that wows? The musical color bug isn't just a toy, it's a multi-sensory learning tool. Safe, non-toxic, and built with durable materials, it's designed to withstand toddler adventures. Its adjustable volume and silent mode ensure peace when needed, while its portable size makes it ideal for playdates or travel. It's thoughtful, educational, and endlessly entertaining. A perfect pick for kids age 2 and up. Compared to other toddler toys, the Crayola Musical Color Bug offers unmatched value. Its interactive features, quality design, and washable markers make it worth every penny. Affordable, tech-tested, and Crayola-approved, it's a brilliant blend of fun and functionality. Whether you're sparking a toddler's creativity or gifting a little one, this ladybug's got the buzz-worthy charm to color your world happy.